the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make the Filipino ARROZ CALDO, ARROZ rice caldo broth, and we're using chicken quarters to get our beautiful chicken broth, and lots of garlic, onions. We're going to garnish it with some scallion, lemon wedge, and I'm using this ginger. I prefer this type of ginger, and it makes life easy. You can get it in the grocery store, and it keeps for a long time. I find that if I buy fresh ginger, I tend to end up throwing it out before I've used all of it, so I do prefer this type of ginger. We're going to use jasmine rice. If you want to make it the true traditional way and are able to get it, you get sweet glutinous rice at your Asian market, and fish sauce. If for any reason you can't get the fish sauce, you can always just substitute a little bit of soy sauce. This is the Philippine soy sauce we found. Chinese soy sauce is fine, just to add a little bit of flavor. So let me get everything mise en place and I will show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
I have my large saucepan over medium heat, and to this we're going to add in our minced garlic, and I have our canola oil already in there, and now we're going to add in our ginger. This is 4 tablespoons. Oh, stand back. As soon as you see that you're getting some nice golden brown color on your garlic, we're going to add in our onions and saute those until they are translucent. So now our onions are nice translucent. We're going to add in our chicken. Do it skin side down, and we're going to brown the chicken. Put that in there. This is our 2 pounds of chicken quarters. You can use chicken thighs if you prefer. And I prefer bone in, skin on to add all that flavor. Make sure you turn them over. You can see nice browning on there. Get this one turned over. Now that the chicken is browned, we're going to add in our 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Now we're going to add in our 1 cup of jasmine rice, and we want to stir this in, sort of coat the rice grains with the flavor and the oil, and then we'll add in our water. And now we're going to add in our 6 cups of water. And it smells amazing. All of that garlic and ginger. Oh, can't wait to taste this. All right, we're gonna bring that to a boil, and we're gonna simmer it for 40 minutes. And then we'll remove the chicken and get the chicken meat off the bone and discard the bone and skin and get the chicken back into this. When this is simmering, you'll see how there's some sort of like foam coming off to the top. You do want to remove that. So every so often, come over and check it during the 40 minutes that it's simmering and remove this foam or scum off the top. While that is simmering, we're going to do our fried garlic, which is the garnish for the top. So here's our small saucepan over medium-high heat. I have 2 tablespoons of canola oil. We're going to add in the garlic, and then we're just going to continue to saute it slowly until it's nice and golden brown. There we go, nice golden brown color. As soon as you see that, you want to take it out, and then don't waste that oil. You can use it for your next stir fry. After it's been cooking, you're going to remove the chicken. You want to take it out, and then we're going to remove the skin and the bones from the chicken and shred it. Return the shredded chicken to the pan, and we're going to continue to simmer it while we add in our seasonings. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh, this smells amazing. I'm going to serve myself a bowl and then garnish it. In the Philippines, it's traditional to serve this with a hard-boiled egg and to sprinkle on some fish sauce. However, I'm not a fan of it, so I'm going to just dispense with that. We're going to put on our fried garlic, scallions, and a nice wedge of lemon, squeeze it over the top, and enjoy. Oh, this looks so good. I can't wait to take a bite. Look at the garlic and the scallions. Oh, this was so delicious. I hope this inspires you to make it at home. Beautiful arroz caldo with fried garlic and scallions. Yum. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.